You gotta look out, man. You almost hit me back there.
There's a huge sign. You're supposed to stop. You stop. You wanna check the camera?
Yeah, we can take camera. I don't have a stop sign right there, bro.
There's a huge sign for you. There's a huge sign. Go back. There's a huge sign for you. There's a huge sign. Pay attention. I made a stop and then I went. You should yield. Go back and check and let me know.
Yeah, I will.
Okay? I know how to drive. I have 30 years driving.
Yeah, cool.
Right?
Cool. That's nice. You should have pulled up right next to me, brother.
Yep.
You're supposed to be behind me right now.
You came next to me first. What are you talking about? You talk too much.
You talk too much, brother.
Go ahead.
All right, bye.
Go.